warning, if you are not big hair friendly, you're not gonna like this style. I'm just coming to you raw as is. You ain't gonna like it, sis. Like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. As you can see, I've already showed you the hair that I have in my head. I have in the Cuevana bounce. I have 3 packs. Actually, I didn't even use the whole 3 packs, but you want to get 3 packs, and I have the color 2. Now, I went with the color 2 because 2 is kind of like the 1B sometimes give me a 2 color, but to me, I'm always in between a 1B and a 2. Majority of the time, I'm choosing a 1B and a 2. So 2 is a natural brown color, dark brown color, and 1B is like a natural black type of color. So that's why I would go for those 2 colors. So as you can see, I completed this look with 3 packs of hair, honey. That's $15. You can get a style like this in the comfort of your home, Netflixing and chilling, because that's exactly what I was doing. I was watching Netflix while I was putting my crochet in, so that's the reason why it's not a lot of footage in here. And don't come for me. I have a ton of videos showing you step by step how to do crochet. I just want to come in and give you another crochet style that you could definitely rock for only $15. And I didn't even use the whole 3 packs. I only used 2.5, and to be honest, as big as the hair is and how many times I've separated it, I could have just used 2 packs, but I did go ahead and stretch it and use 3 packs. Now my hair is braided straight back. As you can see, these braids were not as fresh in the clips that I am posting, but I think I've had my braids in for about 2 weeks now, so I'm working on 2-week-old braids, which it really doesn't matter as long as your scalp is moisturized and your hair is still completely clean. I have 12 braids going back in the front and then 6 connected in the back. I can say that that is a lot of braids for this particular style, and why I'm saying that is because this hair is actually really big and the bundles come, the actual pieces of hair comes thick, so you probably can get away with, shoot, I probably could have got away with just 5 braids throughout my whole head. And I'm just gonna be completely honest with you because I've done that before with looser hair, and for this to be such a voluminous style and for it to be as big as it is and to be able to do 12 braids, that's kind of why I have this big, probably why it gave it more volume, but I absolutely love it. It's something that I would definitely, this is my type of hair. Like, I love big hair. I'm a big hair friendly type of person. So just going with the pros of this hair, I absolutely love how easy it was for me to separate this hair. Now, I did separate the hair into 2 pieces in the back, and then when I got towards the middle in the front, I separated between 3 to 4 pieces, give and take. It just depends on what section I was working in, but for the most part, I separated about 3 and 4 times in the front. So easy to separate. And I love that about it. I love that that it doesn't come with any shine to it. Of course, you know, crochet hair is synthetic hair. Some synthetic hairs come with like a lot of shine to it. I don't like a lot of shine, so I love that this doesn't come with that. It comes with the subtle color, but it could be because it's a 2 as well, because I know you get sometimes a 1 or a 1B, it can come with like a heavy shine to it. I get a lot of questions about different crochet hairs, and I just want to say, not only is this a big hair type of texture, this hair definitely frizz. As you can see, separating it frizz. In general, I don't even think that you can even loop the hair in just coming out without actually separating it, but definitely separating it 3 and 4 times like I did, of course it's gonna get some frizz, and that's exactly what I have here. I love frizz. I appreciate the frizz. I embrace the frizz because my natural hair frizzes. So to me, I do know that when a hair does frizz, it doesn't last as long. I don't think this style will last more than 3 weeks. I'm just gonna be honest with you when it comes to me. I mean, I sleep with the silk bonnet on. Usually I don't twist my hair down, I just put the bonnet on, but with this you definitely want to make sure that you might want to twist your hair down because it looks like one of those type of textures to where you want to get the curls to clump together a little more. I know that I did that when I first installed it inside of my hair, so that's something that you definitely want to look into, that you're probably gonna have to twist the hair down maybe until 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and then put your silk bonnet or scarf on. You don't want to not sleep with anything on. You always want to protect your protective styles. Protective style. You always want to you know, sleep with some type of covering on your head to actually protect your styles. So yes, that's pretty much what it is. I mean, y'all tell me what y'all think. Like, I have seen a few reviews on the Cuevana bounce, and I don't really know if they said how long they had it in. As you can see, I just installed this in. I'm the type of person, I switch between my styles a lot, so I cannot come back to y'all and give y'all an update review type of thing. So that's the reason why I kind of like to do it in the beginning. And because I've been working with crochet hair for so long and hair in general, I can definitely tell that if I was wearing this myself, I wouldn't even wear this past 2 weeks. Like, 2 weeks would be my cutoff, just because of the texture, the frizz, how big it is. It just, to me, it wouldn't look as good as it does now past that time frame. So, and like I said, if you got your braids still done and they still look good, you could take this style out and put another style in. I mean, come on now, ladies, for $15, you cannot beat a style $15 and you keep in for 2 weeks. And it only took me about, ooh, excuse me. I don't know if you heard that. Excuse me. It only took me about 2 hours to do this style. Like I said, I was watching TV, so maybe if I wasn't watching TV, it might have not taken me that long. And you definitely want to make sure that you separate the hair in advance. That kind of makes your time go by a lot quicker as well. And if I didn't have so many braids, it definitely would have went by like that, because this is some thick hair and it's real easy, real simple to put in. But other than that, like I said, it's $15. You get bang for your buck, something that is going to look absolutely gorgeous. People are going to stop you. I didn't even really have to do the invisible part method too much, because as you can see, it is blending so flawlessly with my hair. I love it. I absolutely love it. I also did a makeup look, well, eyeshadow look from Jackie Ina collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to put that down in the information box as well if you want to know, like, you know, because my eyeshadow is popping, honey. Like, what? Yes. It's popping. So if you would like to see that, I'll put that down in the description box below as well. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.